Hi, I'm here at Beaver Lake on this beautiful October afternoon. Look at these beautiful reflections of the woods and the lake, and it's so still. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, there's no smoke, beautiful trees, and people come here and into nature places like this, you probably do as well, to find that deep renewal, sense of peace when the world seems to be chaotic and full of conflict and overwhelm. And we can come into nature like this and just be renewed, find our center again. Did you know that the peace that we find in places like this in nature is actually one with in our own hearts, deep in our center? We have that place of peace, the peace of who we truly are, who we are as being, as spirit. And deep within your heart, my heart, lives the peace that passes all the chaos. We can access that by choosing to go within. What we access is our power, our true power, your true power within your own heart. And what if nature, in its beauty and splendor and peace, like these moments, is actually a mirror reflecting back to you your true power based on that peace deep in your heart? What if? Take a deep breath. Feel that. Namaste.